Inspiration for TechBright's video series can come from many different sources. This month's video is a result of a rep inquiry about how we can compete against a cheap imported fixture. I asked the rep to send me a sample of the fixture, and just like that, I had my idea for this video. There are thousands of fixtures being imported and making it to the US market each year. There are certification labs like UL, ETL, and CSA designed to test a fixture to ensure that it meets prescribed safety standards. Some manufacturers take some, well, we'll call them liberties with the spec sheet data after safety testing. Understanding a few key characteristics can help you make the best fixture selection. Our Vaportite fixtures are a perfect example of our mantra, to be better. We believe being better means creating a Vaportite fixture that's, wait for it, Vaportite. TechBright will sell you the entire assembled fixture, not just pieces parts. For instance, this is how the cheap imported fixture arrives to the job site. And all these pieces parts have to be assembled before final installation can begin. Here's all you need to do to install the LED tubes in a TechBright fixture. Open the fixture, install the tubes, and finally seal the fixture. At TechBright, we believe that when we sell you a fixture that you should install the fixture on the job site, not assemble the fixture on the job site. As for the competitor's fixture, on the surface this looks like a Vaportite product, but let's compare. The gasket is what keeps the bad stuff out, like water. The competitor's gasket is 1/8 of an inch. TechBright's gasket is 2.5 times as wide at 5/16 of an inch. TechBright's Vaportite fixture is wet rated, whereas the competitor's fixture is damp rated. For a reference point, damp rating is the same rating as a TechBright LED troffer. Would you put a troffer in a car wash? According to the spec sheet, the competitor's fixture is IP64 rated. The definition of IP64 is protection against water splashed from all directions and limited liquid entry. TechBright's fixture is IP67, which is not only rated for powerful jets, but also protection against the effects of immersion in water. The competitor's spec sheet suggests one of the applications of this fixture is a car wash. Let's see what happens when both fixtures are subjected to a pressure washer. Would you want the liability of installing this fixture in a car wash? Oh, we're quite sure there are many quality imported fixtures in the market. As you can see, however, you must be careful during the selection process. Saving a few dollars per fixture on the front end can ultimately cost you much more. TechBright has been in the business for more than 30 years. Mostly because of our reputation of delivering innovative, quality, and affordable lighting fixtures. We don't just want our fixtures to be installed, we want them to deliver over and over again. Contact your TechBright representative to place your order today.